GPS to what? To Trout River Road. Oh my goodness. Lesson, don't trust your GPS. Go with your instincts instead. Although it is a lovely red dirt road. Great road to take if you're looking for some property off the beaten path, quite literally. Oh my goodness.
Hey, there's people.
Yeah. Someone's living there, camping, something, yeah. God bless them. Oh, look at it. It's like a little village of tents and outhouses back there. Soon.
Looks like we're getting down to a river.
Trout River.
We're gonna get baptized.
This is Trout River, but we're still on this road. No idea where we are.
Stop sign.
That's a plus. When we turn, still a dirt road.
Dirt road, but
at least it's not a heritage road. Yeah.
Hydro.
Civilization.
Plums. Fresh plums.
Ooh. Right there. Looks like they got a fair number of people in there.
Fresh plumage.
Back on a decent road. I think we better. I think we should take the route that we know. That road that the preserve company's on, that'll take you right down to number 2 at Hunter River and across. That's the way I went up last Saturday. Because I made a wrong turn out of our property. Again, took the long way. But for us, it'll be the short way home. Unless you own the property.
I know how to get there from Hunter River, and I just kind of that was the
The shorter route.
shortest route. And so I
No,
was
they lied.
surprised when
They
it said,
lied.
hey,
The GPS lied.
take a left here onto Rattenbury Road. Sure.
It's like take a left into the middle of the unknown. Well, we found a new route, nice new heritage road, which would be lovely on a summer day. Not so much when it's chilly and rainy. Pretty bird. This takes us right in, right? Yeah. New London Road.
Takes us right somewhere. Hey, there's a super mailbox.
Out in the middle of nowhere. Let's see if you were...
This is taking us right up there.
Yeah, we're not going there.
See that?
I know. It's like, where does it think it's taking us?
My goodness.
I don't know why it would take us on the dirt road again.
Oh, because it's shorter. Here we're gonna have to kind of loop back around.
Okay, maybe distance shorter, but not time because of the mud. Grateful for the rain, it'll wash some of that red mud off the car. Saturday adventures in PEI.
All for the cinnamon bun.
Hey, I have my priorities. St. Patrick's. Nice place.
Looks like it just got recently moved
I
there.
know. Okay, well, there's nothing much to see here, so. All this for cinnamon buns. Thanks, buddy.
We made it.
Was it worth the drive?
Just like getting leather in action.
We're just waiting for our pizza now. This is wood-fired pizza from Glasgow by Farm. And this is the Maggie, which is their version of a margarita. So it's tomatoes, Gouda, and basil. What do you think?
We're gonna soon find out what I think.
FYI, we've already eaten one of the cinnamon buns.